Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Yang. Today we are proudly announce our brand new AREClick Android application, which could be installed in the interactive display and connecting to our media station. Through this application, speaker could easily operate all their recording and streaming session through this application. So let's get started. So as you can see on the upper right hand corner of the display, you can see the AREClick icon. So by clicking into the icon, the GUI of the AREClick will show up on the bottom of the display. As you can see on the left, start from the left will be the recording timer, recording button, pause button, stop button, and here's the little icon on the right. If you go into it, here's all the different layout which the speaker could be changed and present to their audience or record it down. So today I'm going to select PowerPoint plus Lectures view. By selecting this and close the tab of the GUI. And as you can see right now, I'm presenting you my selected layout to you. So through this application, speaker could easily operate all their recording and streaming sessions. So if you have any interest in our application or media station, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.